Welcome back to Nick's Vids. I'm heading across on the M42 bridge into Wales, and I'm super excited to bring you on my little adventure into Wales, see what I get up to. I'm planning on climbing Snowdon on my third day, so that'll be good fun, but I'm going to get up to lots of different activities over the next few days. So here we go then, I'm crossing the bridge. Hello Wales. Look at this. Oh, I'm so excited for this trip. It's only just beginning and I'm already loving it. I'm very low on fuel, which is quite an issue on this bike. So next service station I'm pulling off at, but I'm a little concerned it might be a while. Okay, I'm going to turn the cameras off and catch up with you in a little bit. Finally found some fuel. Okay, next stop then is Cardiff. I've got to find a camping shop because I'm currently sleeping bagless because knows where my last one went. Hey! Welcome to Cardiff, baby. We're here, capital of Wales. Okay, so I found somewhere. Let's see if I can find a sleeping bag. So success, got a sleeping bag. Very pretty spot though, that's for sure. Managed to shove my hoodie in my rucksack because it is fucking boiling. Some twat chose the warmest day of September to start a touring adventure. Head on to the M4 straight up to Sion, which shows a little, one of my work colleagues showed me a little mountain pass with some waterfalls on to check out, which should be good. Looking forward to that. It's not going to be a daytime beach day is what I was thinking, but an afternoon, evening, chill on the beach sounds good to me. So that'll be the plan. Turn on! Oh, it's a good sound, baby, it's a good sound. There we go. Enjoying the music of the tunnel. Look at this view, it's already getting more and more pretty. Hey. Slow, Araf! Araf! Slow down! You're gonna die! Okay, here we go, up in the mountainous-ish area. Time to have some fun on these national roads. Coming up, nice tight right-hander. Where is it, where is it, where is it, where is it? It's from when you don't know the roads, you've got to go for it, but you don't know. Okay, here it is, not tight. Oh, there we go, that is tight. Whee. Avoid the drain, drop down a gear. Okay, come on, lean it in, lean it in, lean it in, lean it in. Oh, it's tightening, it's tightening, it's tightening. Oh, I'm nearly at peg scrape. There we go, and flick it left. And then throttle, 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 throttle. These are the roads I was waiting for. Nice comfortable pace through them, not too fast, not too slow. Pretty much the speed limit. Pretty much. Roads aren't that smooth. Lean it in, 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 lean it in. Oh, gravel. Oh, it's been a while since I've ridden fast on this bike, that's for sure. Look at that corner there. Fucking hell, let's go. Okay, lean it in. Look ahead to the corner, look ahead, look ahead. Look ahead, look ahead, look ahead, look ahead. Oh! That's a small section of fun roads. I'd never have done that if it wasn't for my workmate, so thank you Phil, I appreciate it. Some more beautiful mountain roads. You just tread the needle. Look at these awesome views. Okay, I'm currently arrived at Henride Falls, another recommendation from a bloke from work. So far so good, the roads have been good fun. This is meant to be a waterfall you can walk behind, so it's pretty cool. So I'm following down the path and hoping I end up somewhere relatively near that. We'll have a little look. That was pretty cool.
Okay, I've just come to, here's my pronunciation, Bwlch Falls, and unfortunately they're closed. So now I'm going to get on the bike, head down to a beach and chill out and watch the sunset, I think. Maybe find a place to camp here. That would be epic, but not getting me hopes up yet. Swansea Beach. Fucking that looks nice, doesn't it? So luckily I found a place to camp. Thank Frank for that. Okay, tent set up, time to head down to the beach. Yes, I'm squidding it. Oh, the bike feels light now. Oh, that is pretty, man, that is very pretty. Made it to the beach, finally. Yes, I did squid it down from the campsite, but it was literally 4 minutes away, so I thought it was worth the risk to not have to carry a load of gear down. But yeah, look at this view, it's incredible. I'm gonna regret this instantly, and I'm doing it. Did you want? It's cold. Oh, it's very cold. I'm out here living my best life. Subscribe to Nick's VIDS. I don't know what to say, I'm just recording myself now. Oh, the awkwardness. And whoever I eventually show this will also find this awkward. Go! Oh, that turns me on. I'm at the beach, motherfucker. Take a look at me.